Rainbows. To understand how rainbows are formed, we need to understand how light waves behave. Sunlight is composed of light which have different wavelengths. Lights with short wavelength appear in blue, violet, and indigo colors, while the longer wavelength light appear in red, orange, and yellow colors. As the sunlight enters a raindrop in the air, the light is then split into a multitude of colors. This light then reflects off the back of the raindrop and then re-emerges in the direction where the light first entered it. The light then merges from many raindrops, forming a rainbow. Now, let's get into the details of light. First, light travels in waves, and it's the wavelength that determines its perceived color. Second, sunlight is composed of many wavelengths. The range of wavelengths includes the colors of the rainbow. Third, when light enters water, it bends or refracts. The amount of bending depends on the wavelength of light. The result of this is the splitting of light into different colors. White light is refracted and separates into different colors found in the spectrum of visible light. These are identified as follows: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, or simply Roy G. Biv. So for example, the sun is behind you and the rain is in front of you. This is the only position where you'll be able to see a rainbow. As the sunlight enters each raindrop, light is refracted and reflected. And because the sun is so far away, the rays of sunlight may be nearly parallel to each other. This results in the same angle of light striking each raindrop. So, the light you'll see along with this ray will be of the same wavelength and the same color. Now, why do rainbows form an arc? This is because the angle between the incoming rays of sunlight form a circular cone having the same angle. As a result, what you see along these lines will have the same wavelength and color applicable to each band of the rainbow.